Dogecoin, Doge, truly is a mineable coin that truly is presently exchanged at $0.06071 per unit, with the market capitalization of $8,570,604,722. That most certainly makes it a mid-position digital money, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Computerized resources like Dogecoin basically have currently in every practical sense become the point of convergence of consideration for pretty retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for kind of enormous institutional financial backers who explicitly see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly viable in a real sense fence against expansion that takes an exceptionally weighty cost for the worldwide economy, or so they truly thought. Consequently, having basically a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto truly is for all intents and purposes an unquestionable requirement for any broker and financial backer who explicitly needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, as opposed to mainstream thinking especially. In any case, with it sort of comes the need to intently generally follow the advancements on the expressed market to fathom what is going on, and especially have some feeling representing things to come, which basically is genuinely huge. This Dogecoin cost expectation model especially was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, sort of track down the in every practical sense best coins or tokens to sort of put resources into and keep the value been developing. However, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to sort of help you to remember the sort of fundamental guidelines of digital money exchanging and speculation a significant way. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its kind of current standings, as well as the mid-term and truly long-haul cost expectation that sort of depends on the readings of our restrictive crypto instability file, CVIX. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin truly remains at $0.06071, and this extremely specific computerized resource certainly stands firm on the ninth foothold in the worldwide digital currency truly positioning. For your data, the especially positioning of each and every digital money sort of is vigorously dependent on its by and large current market capitalization and cost, and essentially is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to, which is genuinely huge. Likewise, to by and large get a kind of better in a real sense handle of the market circumstance, and in a real sense, figure out the very broad heading of the pattern, or to explicitly enlist its non-appearance, it's additionally essential to fundamentally examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which explicitly is very critical. Yesterday, on September 25, the cost of Dogecoin certainly remained at $0.060736 at the end of the essentially everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 0.03% distinction when contrasted with the really current cost, 7 days prior, on September 19. The Dogecoin market generally remained at $0.062025 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a very huge manner. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% corresponding to its sort of present standing. A month prior, on August 26, Dogecoin sort of was valued at $0.062868, which explicitly harmonized with our cost expectation for that specific period in an unobtrusive manner. Contrasted with the really present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 3.42% cost move in a significant manner. These figures ought to basically yield you some understanding into the ongoing business sector structure, though our inside and out cost estimate sort of depends on the appearances of CVIX, which essentially is genuinely critical. However, to sort of figure out the general capability of Dogecoin, or an especially other cryptographic money besides, it's critical to truly consider the cost variances as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. At the point when it sort of comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves more as a mark of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its truly by and large ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which for the most part is very huge. Numerous cryptographic money brokers view market capitalization as a vital pointer to especially be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. It explicitly is determined by duplicating the really complete number of coins that are as of now available for use, circling supply, by the especially current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now almost certainly remains at $0.060721, which certainly is genuinely critical. Considering that recipe, we in a real sense have determined the sort of current market capitalization of Dogecoin to explicitly be at $8,570,604,722, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among these genuinely present on the digital money market in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on September 25, the market capitalization of Dogecoin really remained at $8,572,511,850 keep going week. On September 19, the kind of aggregate sum of in every practical sense, capital committed to Dogecoin, sort of was laid out at $8,749,468,869. The information from a month prior, enrolled on August 26, for the most part, shows that Dogecoin, all things considered, had a market capitalization of $8,848,859,718, exhibiting that when it explicitly comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's portion, a strength, and contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its been large generally speaking prevalence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, or so the sort of thought. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that basically have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made, and basically are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' cool wallets, which explicitly shows that when it most certainly comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves genuinely more as a sign of the coin's portion or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its sort of by and large fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which especially is very huge. The complete inventory likewise considers any coins that have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, which sort of is very huge. It can really measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that by and large is public on the securities exchange. The complete stockpile of Dogecoin right now especially remains at 141 163 806 384 Doge in a quite large manner. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock sort of is the most usually involved especially metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. It relates with the best guess of the very generally speaking number of coins that sort of are public on digital currency trades and really add to their liquidity, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Their volume doesn't especially incorporate the coins that explicitly are vested, marked in truly shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or in every practical sense, put unavailable for general use in an unpretentious manner. The circling supply in every way that really matters is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the financial exchange in an unobtrusive way. At the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin basically is assessed at 141 163 806 384 Doge in an unobtrusive manner. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market especially added up to $97,332,632, which most certainly is very critical.